Hello, hello. Is this working? Yeah, I'll just pause this one. I just won't run. Is it working? Wait, pause. Wait. Uh, I, I usually don't stream that early, but I found this really nice BGM, so I just wanted it to try it out. Okay. So, yesterday I finished the interaction for Inside of the Web. We're gonna do outside when the player steps out. And it's a bit confusing which map is which now. Can I rename this? But if I rename it, okay, I don't think it matters if it renames. Because it should be fine if I rename it since the ID is separate. I'll just name it because it's getting real confusing. What's this? Uh, uh, that's the official name. This is X green corridor. And stairs. Much easier now. And this one is prologue. Prologue. Yeah. And then base. What? And listing. Oh wait, forgot to. Wait a moment, just checking something. Okay. Okay. So where is greenhouse? We're gonna do a cutscene. We're gonna deactivate these teleportation when the player gets out. Parallel. Switch. No, variable. When the cutscene number is equals or greater than 8. Yeah, I'll copy this page and paste it to the other two. Maybe also cancel these, because just in case a player walks here during the cutscene. Okay. Paste. 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 It's a bit redundant, but oh well. Oh, and handsome. Hi, how you doing? I remember you. How's your day? I'm almost done with the prologue. It's so close. And I'll make a video once I'm done. But this is just 1 out of 6 maps, so still a bit. Okay, now I'm gonna make the cutscene event when it is the what when let me copy from here. Is this the cutscene? Yeah. Oh wait, why is the code still like this? Yeah, I can delete this. I don't know. These need to stay. Those are the default stuff. Hanson, doing fine. You also, where's the game gonna be published? Probably just like itch.io. Not gonna be on Steam, cause like Steam you need to pay $100 if you want to publish your game there. But this game is free. I'm not sure if you need to pay if the game is free. I'll research that when I'm a bit closer to finishing. But yeah, I think most smaller indie games are on itch.io. Okay. If cutscene number is 8. Don't this. Don't need this. Nope. Yes, disable the menu access. Oh, no. Yes, we gotta disable. This one's a bit tricky. Was there cutscenes in between? Wait, let's see. Here's an itch.io is a great start. How we get famous? Nah, I think this will just be a small, fun game. I mean, it'd be nice if people play it, because I put a lot of effort in this. It's not a big deal. It's my first game after all. Okay. Oh, what's frequency? I think that's just not frequency. I'll just do an empty one for now. And that is the dialogues. So currently, because when you have a cutscene, you don't want the player to be able to open a menu. Oh, I just realized I did not do that for all of the interactions. Let me see. Like, for example, I'll just start from the very start. No, start again. Oh, I cannot quit! Is this an issue? I cannot quit the game yet. I mean, the player can just press a close button. Okay. Let's see, here's the first game. With this level of experience, I would thought you have like 2 more games. I mean, I do coding for my university, so it'll be embarrassing if I'm very bad at this. Okay, the menu opens. Because I think when the menu opens, everything pauses. See? Like, oh no, I broke it. Oh no, it's fixed. Wait, let me try again. Okay, I can't open the menu here. That's done correctly. Also buff the regeneration again. This last time, the stamina regeneration I meant. I think it's over here. Update stamina out of breath to like 4. 3 is far too low. Okay. Yeah. Just need to fix turning off all of the menu thing. Or should I try to create just a small plugin so that it'll be automatic every time there's a text box? I think I'll try to do that with ChatGPT. I try not to use AI or something, but you know, I don't know the exact line tonight. Wait, not that. There is a lot of random stuff. Here you go. I'm pretty sure it's possible. But I need to tell it which exact switches I'm using. Let's make a new one. Switches. No, I need to check the common event actually. Enable menu. Can you help me create the RPG Maker MP plugin? What? Is this typing? Okay, sometimes the screen doesn't update. That will check if check two switches. If two switches switch name 7 ID 7 enable menu switch and ID map enable map 24 enable map switch. I want the plugin to turn off either switches. Only one can be active at a time. Only one can be active. That's not the right one. It'll confuse it. Just skip all context. Only one of the two switches will be on. Can you show me the row to check which switch is on and turn off when there is text box? And when the text box is closed, turn on that switch. Please let me know if you need more info information. RPG Maker MV JavaScript. Let's see if it works the first try. Cause like it'll be a bit confusing if I coded that in to check which switch is on and which switch I turn off. It'll be easier to do it like this. And it'll be useful in the future. Access. No, at the end. if starts radiation, okay, that looks pretty correct. No, just yep. Oops, you do not see that. Oopsie. Whatever. Don't save. Maybe save this one. Photo game. JavaScript plugins. Change it to GPT. See, there's a few GPT codes so far. Menu X controller dot JavaScript. Yeah. And that should do it. Oh wait, how do I activate it though? Just anytime? On before the message. Yes. A bit annoying. Could cause some issues, but I don't think there's any time where both of it is on. Unless I turn it on and off incorrectly. I'll do it around here. Here. GPT menu text controller. Put this before the box. What is this? Allow custom speed. Okay. Let's try it. Okay. Okay, pressing X. Menu's not on. I can turn this on. That should stay the same. Okay. No issues here. Go back inside. Yo. Oop. Nah, it's fine. Pressing X, nothing happening. Pressing spacebar to speed up. Pressing X, it works. Touching this, pressing X, nothing works. Don't pick this up yet, because that one changes the menu thing. Let me check the rock. Technically, it did work. It's just because, like, the button press is too fast, I think. Like, it just registers. I press no and then X. Like, I'm still holding it down. And then you try this one. No. Okay, pressing X, no that. Now, pick it up. Pressing X, nothing happening. Let's check the items. Well, I need to preload these items too. Let me write that to my to-do list. Items arrange. Okay, should I fit? And should I fit? Okay. I'll do that later. Okay, no checks. Run straight up. Okay. Okay, let's try the secret dialogue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pressing X, the menu is not turning on. Okay. This one's a random guess for the player. So far, so good. Okay, press this. X. Uh-oh. Doesn't work here. Is it because I tried to tackle that issue before? Trap switch, control switch. It's not from the inside. Did not work for this. Press X again. Nope, doesn't quite work here. Is it only this one here? What happens if nothing changes? Pressing X? Okay, doesn't work. X. Wait, what? I think I accidentally quit. But I think it only works that one time. Well, use text. The code is relatively easy, so I'm not sure why. Function. Is it because I'm using another plugin to create? I use another plugin that changes the visual level kind of thing. This one could be because of this code. It somewhat collides with this Gelt message background. And it doesn't quite work. For example, here. It may be due to me using Gelt message background, so Gel message background. The background music's a bit choppy, not sure why. See, like, it also uses this. So I'm thinking that it's kind of a bit colliding, so I want ChatGPT to combine with it. I think it's very possible that it just might be colliding with this code. So I just code to collide. If so, can you combine and make Miguel message from plugin to and of the solutions instead? Now we just wait a bit. Yes, probably. That's what I said. Okay. Now let's be patient. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay, hooks to the message life cycle. I feel like this could still collide possibly. And after the, it doesn't quite merge it, if you know. It's not really merging the code. What I wanted to do is like to put the code in between so that this thing doesn't happen twice. Possibly won't work. Let me turn off here GPT. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's over here. Turn it off. Apply, okay. No, not that. I feel like this won't make much difference, but I'll just try for now. Okay, it's saved, and I think it should be updated automatically. No errors, which is good. Pressing X, nothing happened, but I think that's because I coded it for this one. Well, hi art guru, hello. Oh, oops! No! How embarrassing. And now I need to restart. Yeah, I might have to improve this thing a little bit. Because, like, I'm testing the menu, but I only get the menu if I enter from the very start. So I need to run all over here. Wait. Okay, now there's... Wait. Over here, I need to fix that. Like, won't it technically be fixed if I just change all of the parallax to nothing? I think I'll do that. There's no need to update the other part, but I do have to do that. Debugging in the corridor. Hair Next in editing, it's black slash black. Yeah, that part is pink because I need the reference guide to where I want the stuff to make it walkable and not walkable. Let's see. Art Guru. I saw some of your videos. I also see when you stream, but usually at work. I can finally watch you live stream. Thanks. uh, my streams it's kind of slow. There's nothing much important. So like, just chill. But if you want to do something else, just feel free to do that too. And so this path is also walkable. It's only the middle path that's a death. Cute art style. Thank you. Okay, let's try X. Okay, I'm pressing X and it's... Yeah, I think it's working. Hopefully. Because I want to still try it with the normal diary. See, I'm pressing X and it's not showing up the menu. Did I not pick up the rock? Yeah. Okay, we broke the door and now we can enter. Go here. X. Yay, I think it works. But let's just test it with the other one. But yeah. I don't have to run. I actually realized I don't have to run from there. I can just activate the menu here and just go back here. We'll test it here. X. Oh, no. It doesn't work if it's this one. It works with the map, but not this one. I celebrated too early. I wonder why. Is the Switch ID correct? I wonder. Let me just double check. Enable map controller. Ah, it's 18. No wonder. Okay, save this. I just got the wrong ID. And it should work now. That was a mistake on my part. Thank you, Aikuru. Coding a lot of the errors. Oops, I forgot. Stop. Coding a lot of the errors is just typing the wrong stuff. And I have dyslexia. Very minor dyslexia, so like sometimes. What? Okay, that's not supposed to happen. It is updated, right? Menu switch 18. I thought. Enable menu. Now it's 17? Am I just blind? Okay, it's 17, not 18. Ah, makes sense, because previously it's a 7, but I think I typed it without the 1. Now I can confirm that it will 100% work. Also, Art Guru, I hope that your work was kind of chill this week. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. Okay, yay, it works. That's good. That's good. Good. I will just take a note of it here so that I don't forget. Table to the right. Okay. 7/5/2025. It's 4 p.m. I'm in my room streaming. I want this color to be black. This is just the blue one is like notes on the color. Okay. Switch 904. Oh, I closed the code. Close. Well, give me problem. Hold me up. So, when okay. Let's see the chat. Yes, it was good. Now I'm enjoying my 3-day weekend. Nice. Any plans? I'm currently in my holiday and I'm kind of so busy making this game. Let's see. Website. What's in there? Oh, we get many clothes. How lucky. Yeah, time for hints. Maybe I'll add a bit of dialogue over here. Just it wasn't. She's only looking for people. Did I close it? No. Okay. Like this. Like there. Is that in here? Then is this box. There's some tools and stuff. Is that in this box? There's some tools and stuff instead. And I think that will go over a bit. Yes. Monthly ring, preview, and that should be fine. Apply, okay. Let's see, art guru. I might do some art, also get back to working on your game as well. Yeah, maybe you should stream your game as well. I think it's a good motivation. Because like you kind of got a pressure that there's someone, maybe someone's watching, and you can't let them down. Okay, let's see. And technically, I have no item, which is correct. Okay, now we're gonna do this cutscene when we get out. Oh no, over here. Good that I caught that. I need to change the background message to 2 so that we can see her name. There's no name here, but it's supposed to. And now there will be a cutscene. We're gonna do now one cutscene. Maybe we can teleport in. What? You're not supposed to teleport in. Okay. I think I just didn't. That's a bit strange. Cutscene number over 8. But this one works. Oh, 7 actually. I guess I haven't turned it to 8 yet. Okay. Oh man, I gotta change these two. Okay, I don't know why. I probably should have checked. Or else I can redo this. Uh, 7. 7. 7. 7. And then I guess go back to here. We don't need this now. Let's see, that's a good idea. I streamed a few times last year. I might pick it up again. Yeah, I think it's also nice to look back, you know, of what you did in your stream. It makes me feel a bit proud when I check the stream and stuff. I don't rewatch my stream though, it's kind of weird. Okay. Okay, now it's working. What should I do? I want a player to come here. Like, you can't walk beyond a certain path. Let's do get out and get in. But technically I gotta redo the puzzle. It's not quite a puzzle, but just to introduce that there's an exploration thing. Okay, I also have to turn this off. And maybe there's a possibility if the player doesn't see him over here, he might be below, down there. I want to make it a bit different. So if the player passed by this point, he will appear. And this line, it's a bit complicated. I'm gonna write it down because I know I'm gonna forget it myself too. Yes, I did that. 7, 5, 7, 1. Okay. If player sees any place at the mega dragon is there, and let's see what starts. The player goes to the dragon and was there instead of that scenes starts. And it'll be there instead and cutscene starts. With the right. My goal is to make everyone's experience a bit different. Okay. So over here, you'll be locked in. Cutscene will only start at a certain area, I guess. Okay. Where is this block? Over here? No, a bit more. Yes. So if player steps on here, which you can see because my video remote is kind of blocking. There's the coordinates at the very bottom. So this is 20. X equals 20. And like, I gotta think to make sure it's not breakable. I'll put a copy of him down here just to test. How about no? I just add the same code for now. Copy. Yeah. You transform into him, but it's face downwards. He'll be like, what? Why do you break the thing? Yeah, It'll be funny. Okay. Same as character. Oh no, not this one. Over here, same as character. Yeah. Ding ding. Enter. Yeah. Exit. It'd be cool if people can speedrun this. I don't know if it's possible. Yeah. Oh, trigger. This is a trigger point. And I want to see the coordinates where we'll see him in our frame. Yeah, he's there. Can you somewhat see his hair here? I don't. It's super. No, you can't quite. So, on this line, which over here? No, it's a bit low. Over here. Yeah. You can see him. Go down over here. You can see him. So you activate it. 1 equals y 48. 48. But yeah. Okay. Okay. So let's think of the code. We need a variable to check where the player position is. And to do that, what's this? Yeah, that's a cutscene thing. Equals 7. It will start checking for where the player position is. Unless, well, I don't need this technically. Let's see, number 7. Okay. Not auto-run, it's parallel since we will be constantly checking. Delete this one. Okay. There is a previous code where I can copy where it checks where the player position is. This one? No. This one? No. And it should be this one. Okay. Copy this one. Edit. Paste. And I think we just need another trap ID setup. It's kind of not consistent. But trap 10, I think it's a good number. Let's create a new trap ID. Delete this. Don't need the timer. Switches. Okay, 31. 31. Switch 10. See where this is. On behind carriage. Oh, wagon. I keep calling him carriage. I guess by default he's up. Let me draw. Okay. If uh hmm yeah, technically I do not need to care if they go over there. If the player exposition exposition. Let me just check. This should be increasing. Yes, more or equals to 20. If player position is more or equals to 20, couldn't that be done over here though? Nah, it doesn't actually check. Whatever, it's fine. Then turn it on. Else turn it. This needs to be a one-time thing. But this is tricky. I need to think of the logic here. Because like there's a possibility. Okay, I think I know what to do. Instead of that, we just do equals if they cross a line. Else is off. And then self switch. Just self switch to A. Turn it in off. Nothing here. Self switch A off. And just for reference, no more check or just to test it out. Okay. And you will only appear if switch 10 is on. Okay. Wait, one more thing. One more control variable. If the player y is equals to 48, no else break. Wait a second. No, else. Check here. And then here. Edit. Now you can else. Over here. Over here. Just go to switch one. Do not touch this coordinate thing anymore. Okay, try that. Oh, forgot to do everything, but that's fine. Yes. Okay, we're gonna check if he appears down here. Okay, he's down here. The text didn't turn on, which is a bit concerning. He is down here, but I'm not sure why the text is not showing up. Here, no more chord check. Maybe I'll switch to parallel? But technically it works. Oh no, you gotta go in, then go out. Then what more? Okay. Uh-oh. I gotta erase the events. I think that's how it works. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe it's unnecessary. As long as it just doesn't do it. What's auto run again? Maybe this. Let me just check. Okay, we'll have that contest run. What's the difference? Yeah, let me check this. Freeze player inputs. Okay, then probably just do parallel. Yeah. Yeah. Erase. Erase. Erase the vent. Where is that one? Here. Okay. Should be fine. I'm really liking the background music. Check it out in the link of this video. Okay. Check if he shows up here. Okay, he will not show up there. And just run around a bit to see if I accidentally trigger it again. Hello. Okay, and let's try it with the right hand version. Oh no, go up. Yeah. Okay, go down, but not until here. And go here, and he should not be below here. You are. No, they're both here. Yeah, this is what. Let me check. Oh, what if the player? What logic am I missing out here? Maybe it might be easier if I just visualize this. Right now. Oops. Make this bigger. 20. Why 45? If the player touches this, it should just stop checking here. Okay, I don't think there's particularly anything wrong with the code. It's just that. Let me check out this. Where's it though? Let me test it out one more time. I thought it worked before. walk here. He's there, and he should not be down here. And you are down here. Okay, so definitely something wrong with the cutscene.
In the next 30 seconds, 10 people will be hired through Indeed.
Stop. This music so far is really nice. No, big light. I mean, right. And let's listen to something else. How about this one? It's beautiful. Okay. Let's get back to this, because it needs to disappear. What if I just change it and you only can check for one variable at a time, which is troubling. Let's maybe trap 11. It's a bit troublesome, but I think that will fix it. Okay. No, no, no. Ouch. No. Do not. It's very easy. I'm kind of like thinking a bit too much. So, one, switch, 11, and that should fix it. Basically, okay. Over here, he won't show down there. Correct. But we cannot allow her to leave yet. New event page. If it's actually just duplicate this, copy, paste. You mean nothing. Maybe not nothing. What if she says something? Yeah. She'll say something. And okay. Not parallel action button. Let's see. What will she say? He must be in here. Something. I think he's in here. But how would she know? I guess the pieces of glass on the floor. Is she that smart though? They're technically kids. What expression should she show? I think it's just easier to check. To choose expressions by looking in the art file. Not art file, like the here. I can turn this off because it's working now. Don't say. I think he's still in here. Maybe that's yeah, very basic normal expression. Yeah, this one. And O. I could be the same as this. No, it's different. Copy, copy, art. No, greenhouse. Okay. The I is mouth is oh yes. And I need to reset the coordinates here because yesterday when I was doing the interactable objects inside of the wagon, for some reason it's a bit out of the position of the image is not correct. I think it's because it's slightly zoomed in or something. There's an extra space in between. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. I think he's still in here somewhere. I think he's still in here somewhere. Just copy this. New self switch A self switch A paste it in. Okay. Over here. Let's go down here. No one's here. Oh no! See how the sprite position is still different. How did this even happen? Will it stay like that or something? I do not know. But for now, I won't bother finding why that happens. Same over here. Still in here somewhere. Maybe some interactable. She can look at the flower. How cute. Okay. Let's trigger the cat scene of the bottom one first. He's not here. Huh? Wait, no one's here? Wait, how did this happen? Ooh, how did I do that? What did I do to cause this bad? So for some reason, none of them's here. Bit concerning. Not sure how to replicate the sheet. What? What did I do? No, none of them is appearing. Is it here? This should not affect that. What did I change? I did attach that. The inside? No. Shit, I have nothing to do with the inside. Hudson 7. Oh no, I should have backed up my file. I'll start from here, I guess. Just to test things out. Yes. Where's the console log? Come in. Where's the console log? Let's do check one for panel number 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 1 plus. Wait for. Okay. Like over here, I can type something to check. Check what the cutscene number is. Say ID 6. That is not what I copy. 6. So it is 7. And none of the switches 30 and 31 and 21. East 31, it is off. 32, it is off, which is correct. Now we stand on here. Okay. It works now? Was it because I was running too fast? Wait. Another issue. Another issue. I thought I fixed the sprites showing up. What? Whatever. There's 2 issues. Try again. Was it because I was running too fast? Because like RPG Maker is a bit weird engine. I'll do everything slowly. Okay. Walk slowly down here. and doesn't show up. And he's not here either. Okay, so this is where the one with the issue. Yes, correct. It okay, let me think. It's turning off by itself automatically. What's going on here? Is it because okay, I think this is the issue. This should be the issue. Else nothing will happen. Okay, I think this is the issue. I just forgot to do something. I mean, coding, right? Yeah, doing this. Run down. Yes, and he does not show up here. Correct. Good. But still, there's the issue with the sprite showing up wrong. Where's here? Copy. Paste. Copy. And also put the testing in here. Action. Need to see it. No need to self switch. And test it. Okay. And now this is correct. The first one is wrong. Oh, silly. Wait, is it? Wait. I'm pretty sure there's no zooms anymore. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Go in there. Okay, activate this one so you can check the sprite size again. Incorrect. This is even wrong. Why? It's like the issue now is that the position of the image, it was I position it how I wanted it before, but now using the same position, it's not the same position. It might be due to just the map. Maybe I zoom in the character or something, so it automatically also zooms in a picture or something. Could it be an issue with the code? I kind of don't think so. But I can't think of anything that can impact why this is happening. Let's see. Kenny Snicks, you're a cool lady. Thanks, I guess. Let's see. And the music suddenly stopped. I think it's just YouTube being picky. Oh no, it continued. Boy Scout. This working. A short example. Focus text. Mm. Oh, I am unsure why, but I am unsure why, but on the maps using these things by happening. The sprite will be positioned in still differently. What might be it was working fine in the planks, so maybe somewhere in the garden. No, there's nothing special here. I just erased the weather. I really cannot remember. This one? Could be this one. Could be this one. But I didn't. It was working fine before. What's the difference? At child's okay. Let us test it. I think that would maybe work, but then it also might change some. It might cause some issues. Go here. Oh no! You're in front of the text box now. Uh oh. You're also not erasing. Because I need to change. No. I think it does. Yeah, it doesn't erase. Yeah, so you keep on drawing. Mm, um. Hmm. Let's actually. Am I moving? Okay, I'll just test. I know the current issue is that it doesn't erase, but that will be an easy fix. I'll just have to test if the other sprites are working well. What? That erases? Uh, it needs to erase every time you change. I guess it does erase. It's just when it's changing, it doesn't update. Okay, that's good to know. Save some stamina just in case. Okay. Hmm. Mm. Oh yeah, the sprites works fine here. Get this item. Go in and check. Now inside it might be a bit different. But that's not a bad thing. Yes, okay. So I think what they suggested is alright. And activate this one, go down here. Try. Yes, okay. It does work. Just that. Let's see. What did we change? Okay, just two issues. Try my suggestion on changing it to what solves the issue with the position being like consistent. So plus all this. However, please help me with fixing two small issues. One is that it will show up on top of that spot. Please make it so it shows for the tab. Well, wait. Technically, we can fix it. Might work that way. Let me try. It could show below the text box if I draw the text box first. Let me see. Copy, paste, delete this one, and technically this can work. It's just I kind of need to recode a lot of seed. Nope. Nope, no, no. Okay, no. It's fine. So we gotta draw it first. Let's return it here. Wait. Okay, now. Number 2. It does not automatically erase. It does not erase. Oh my goodness. Erase the previous one sprite when sprite it's called it does not auto erase the previous one thing. Mine is called so it converts and it's all erase color something. Cycle fade out sprite color. Alright, okay. That should be all of the issue. Yes, which no. Wait, message box. Okay, I think this sounds reasonable. Let's leave it. Next, just a bit additional code. What? Remove? Yes. Yes. Update this one. I just hope there's no kind of flash in between when it's removing the previous one and drawing the new one. I think it should be so instantaneous it might not happen. Maybe? Let's test it again. Nope. It's still above the text box. And I'm pretty sure I saved the code. And it's still doing the same thing. Which is weird. So let me just rerun it just in case. Yes, this is the correct version of the bottle game. Nope. And then same issue persists. Perhaps she's not copy it correctly. Sure, let's see. Mm, mm, yep. Okay. Let's see. Choose safe versus use check well. Yeah. How nice of GPT to give me the whole code. Sometimes it's picky and it only gives you the updated snippet of code. But when it returns the whole thing, yep, it might take a while, but it's more convenient. It prevents me pasting it wrong. What do you mean failed copy? Copy. Save it. Alright. No. Um, one issue is fixed. It's still drawing on top of the wind. Could be because, again, I'm using the gal window thing. Where is it? Gal message background. It's probably different from what GPT is expecting. That's why the code, this one, it needs to be behind or something. Um, thank you. It's but the spikes. So message. So I am using custom message background plugin that makes this the code plugin on context. It's quite long though. I just need important stuff. Which one does it want? Here. This one, I think. This is the main thing. You know what? It's not a super long code. Mm-hmm. replace this. Okay. This. Races? Window where? Not windowing. Replace this box. What? Then we can update the other plugin. Should work, please. No. It's disappearing too. Oh no! I kind of regressed this issue. Child. Maybe this one. It's not fading. Ah. Oh gosh. Undo, 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 undo. Fixing one issue brings up 3 more issues. It's always like this. Okay, this works perfectly. Oh. Wait. I think no. It's me. There's probably another. Okay, now I think it's this one. Show merch bright. Ah, okay. I think I replaced the wrong one. No wonder. I was like wondering why is that impacting that. That's why you can't really blindly paste in GPT code. You need to someone knows stuff, I guess. It's not too hard to understand. I mean, it'd be good if you get a little basic knowledge, please. Yay! Perfect. Let's just test. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's test it in the other area. Well, I should put a debug mode where I got a lot of stamina instead. But then, would I able to balance it out well though? I don't know. Okay. You stop everything. Turn around faster. I think for that sprite, I don't want him to do that pose. Uh-oh. Nah. It's fine. We'll just test it in the other. We don't need to do all of the puzzles. Let's go here. And it should be... Yeah, we will just place in the same corner. Yes. Yes, I activate this one, go down here. The second one should work. Yes. Okay, all just to fix one stuff. Let's see. So, oops, I don't want a new page. Do list. Update. Class, right. Plugin, XML. I need them separate because they got some special gimmicks. Okay. Firstly, I'll just paste in the correct position now, so everything will be consistent again. It's kind of like, yeah, I should have checked this issue yesterday, but I guess I won't have this issue in the future. So basically now I have to edit everything here. Also, face movement routes. Layer turn to the left. It's a bit weird that Anna. See? Bit of a repetition here now. Oh my gosh, I need to change so many. It's fine. Now be more careful next time. Is there a more easier way to? Nah. Change that and this. Here, this one got a bit more text. It's Saturday tomorrow. When it's the weekends, it just feels like time flies so fast. I've got like a full day work tomorrow on Monday to Wednesday, so I won't be able to work on the game then. Also, I want to upload at least one Japan vlog video before the holiday ends. I wonder if I can make it in time. But the footage isn't that great, to be honest. Cause and it's a video about us in Universal Studios Japan, but there's a lot of people, so we couldn't really capture a lot of photos. And being overseas, I'm a bit more shy to take photos, you know? I don't want to look like a tourist or something. Wait, let me see. Yes, weekends are so fast. Okay, apply. Just a few more changes. I took so much time to test out the new skill and coordinates today. I feel like I might have missed some of these. Is that the last one? One more. And technically that's too little. Okay, now greenhouse. Delete the testing. Do I even need to check? I'll just check. Hi Takahashi. It's an earlier live streaming than usual. Yeah, because it's Saturday, I guess, and I didn't go out today. I only helped doing the grass, mowing the lawn. Uh-oh. Wait a sec. Okay, not a big deal. Good thing I checked, I guess. Yeah, I just did some chores today. And I'll be having dinner later, maybe soon. But I think I'll stream more after dinner today. I feel like I could finish this today. I'm not sure about adding audio though. Can I do audio? Okay, yes. Now the sprite positions is correct. No issues. Oh, over here. It faded out a bit too early. Oh, no. Issue there. He's not the witch either. And there's an error over here. Mouth. Oh, it's just here. Not A. Small typo. Oh, where's your mouth, girl? B. Does P not have that? Sprite. Image. Where's image? Here. Pictures. B. Oh, sorted alphabetically. Please. There is a not sure. Did I spell anything wrong? It looks the same spelling. But why is mouth not showing up here? Oh no, I guess the code didn't update. Kind of troublesome. I wish the code would update. continue testing. Over here, I just want something simple as to also turn to the player turn to the right. Looks less odd. Don't need to do it. Delete this. Oh. So you face in there. Looks a bit more miniature. Do not move it. Okay. No enemies. Whoa. Uh-oh. Ah! She's a ghost. How did I do that? I think I was just spamming real quick. Oh. Does this only happen to here? What? Nah. Oh. Hmm. Oh, no. Activate this. Now you go here. Oh, if you press to click quickly. If you press the button too quickly, it will kind of not finish the fading animation. And it kind of just gets stuck there. We can kind of test this in the testing room. Yeah, works normally if you press it a bit slower. If I spam it, let's see. Let me give the whole code to ChatGPT again. GPT, let's get that. Okay. I found an issue. It works. It works. And now, however, if your player clicks to us in the right log, it will not. It might cause the fade out to not finish. So the image will be left translucent on the screen. What can be implemented to ensure that the image will fade out in this moment? It will fade out completely. Okay. Also fix some spelling. Okay. While waiting for that to load, I'll just add this in the credits. I don't think this will end the stream, hopefully. Okay, see if that updates on your side or something. Let's just wait a bit. Do not clear. Let it fade completely first. Okay, fade out much light. Over here, paste. Wet. No. What's going on? Out much light. It's this one. Save. Is ChatGPT trying to hack me or something? Probably this part. I do not see any particular issues. Okay, let's try. No, the issue still persists. And it might also be happening because drawing it too soon might disrupt the fade out. The fade out function because it still doesn't. It still have the issue of translucent light and screen as spam the guideline. This disturb like this this strap distract this at curtain. Yeah. I mean, still not the correct spelling. I swear I am a native speaker, guys. Let's choose another music. Is this the same person? No, it's different. Hmm. Ooh, this one says strange magical medicine. Let's hear what it sounds like. Not the ad. And meantime, let GPT know. Okay. It's nice. But kind of not the mood I want right now. Let's see. Has GPT done yet? Nope. Still loading. I'm sorry. Oh, this one. This one. Snow. Yuki no Owari at the end of snow or something. I love piano background music. Oh, it's dinner time. My mom just called. Let me try finish this code first. Okay. replace this and show merge sprite. Yes. With this, we're gonna double check some stuff. Okay. Modify this part. Fade out with this part. Sprite now. Yes. Creativity, please. I'm so. This is totally my fault for not knowing how to code my own plugins, but I am trying, okay? No! Sprite Cora fading not defined. We didn't do this, I believe. Add the fading flag at the top. Not sure. Like this? Does it have to be inside? I'll try. Oops, wrong button. And new game. Okay, doesn't seem to have the issue. Yay, I think it works. Okay, I think it works. Yay, it's dinner time, guys. I will see you later. I'll stream again when my dinner's over. So 3, 2, 1, goodbye.